सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने बन ठन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम इसके दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है रोके से न रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम मर्जी से चले बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे स्कूल चले हम स्कूल चले हम
Namaskar my dear kids, welcome back to New Era Global School and I'm your charmy miss. Today we are going to learn EVS. We are going to learn chapter number 7, Housing and Clothing, which was term 1's last chapter. Are you all ready for that? But before starting the chapter, I would like to discuss some positivity on the topic about respect. You know what? It has been always said that treat others the way you want it to be treated. यानी कि what you give you will have back. अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपकी रिस्पेक्ट हो, first you should respect others, isn't it? Respect दो, respect मिलेगी. That's what the thing is. And what is how you can respect? You can use your manners, be polite and gentle to everyone. Everyone doesn't have same situations in their life, right? We all are facing different things. Have patience, keep helping others, and put someone first. Inbuild someone, help others, right? Those all are the things you can show your respect and love to others. And from today, we all will take a step about I'll respect myself. So, before respecting others, you should respect yourself first. If you respect yourself, you will ask for your own respect. If you want your own respect, you should give respect to others. So, I'll respect myself, I'll respect others, I'll respect my parents and teachers. This should be the thing you all should learn. Whenever you meet your teachers at school, you should greet them with good morning, namaskar, whatever you want to treat. Whenever you meet your adults, you should treat them with respect. Okay, so this is how you want respect. So first you need to give respect. If you are giving respect, then you will have respect, isn't it? Okay, so we'll move towards the chapter. So first tell me, what kind of house do you live, and what are the materials it has been used in making the house? Guess what? Okay, we all live in Paka house. And to make Paka house, what are the things used? Cement, bricks and iron rods, isn't it? And one more question. And can we make car as a home? Think and say. Yes, we can make a car as a home, and those are called caravan. Caravan. Okay, you can shift your car with technical machines and everything. You can have smarter technology in it, and you can shift it into a home. Okay, so let's revise the chapter and then we'll do the revision sheet. Okay, the first thing is, houses are made of different materials. Houses are made of different materials, isn't it? They are made of different materials. Some are built using bricks, cement, iron rods. यानी कि कोई कोई घर किससे बने हैं? सीमेंट, bricks and iron rods. Some houses are built using stones, wood, sticks, bamboo, mud, straw, dry leaves and other materials. Those are the houses made from stones and bamboo. And some houses are built using cement, bricks and iron rods. In certain cold places, houses are even made from blocks of ice. Oh my god, blocks of ice. What are they? Igloo, isn't it? Okay, different types of roofs. Top of the house is covered by its roof. यानी कि जो घर का रूफ, जो घर का टॉप होता है, वो किससे कवर अप होता है? रूफ से, isn't it? Okay. Some houses have flat roof. Also, you can find most of the houses around us, you can find they have a flat roof. Okay, why? Because in hilly areas where the weather is hot without much rain, some houses usually built. So flat roof houses are built where the place is not hilly and weather is hot without much rain, isn't it? Okay, turn your page. Houses built on mountainsides or in place that receive lot of rain and snow usually have sloping roof. So those are the houses which have flat roof. Houses with sloping roof. This allow rain, water and snow to slide off easily. यानी कि जब बारिश होती है तब जो रेन वाटर है वो इजीली दे स्लोप इट आउट, इजीली साइड ऑफ हो जाता है. ओके, इसीलिए जहाँ बहुत बारिश होती है वहाँ स्लोपिंग रूफ हाउसेस होते हैं, और जहाँ कम बारिश होती है और द प्लेसेस आर नॉट मच हिली, वहाँ पे फ्लैट रूफ होता है. एंड इग्लू, इट इज अ डोम शेप्ड रूफ. उसका रूफ कैसा होता है? इट इज अ डोम शेप्ड रूफ. इग्लू इज अ डोम शेप्ड रूफ. डोम यानी कर्व्ड रूफ. The roof is curved. Igloo has dome shaped roof. Places where there is much rain have sloping roof, and places which have less rain and not hilly places have flat roof. Now, different types of houses. There are two main types of houses. Which are they? Kacha house and Paka house, right? You all know it, right? Houses that are made from wood, bricks, cements and iron rods are called Paka houses. पक्का हाउसेस जो होते हैं ना बेटा, दे आर स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ. पक्का हाउस के एग्जाम्पल्स हैं कॉटेज एंड अपार्टमेंट, राइट. Houses that are made from bamboo, mud, straw and dry leaves are called kacha houses. Kacha houses are not strong as the pakka houses. Mud hut and bamboo hut are example of kacha house. This is a mud hut which is a kacha house, and some are made of bamboo hut. Okay, now turn your page. Some houses are built high above the ground. यानी कि कुछ घर ऐसे भी होते हैं जो ग्राउंड से थोड़े ऊपर होते हैं. Those houses are called stilt house. Stilt house कहाँ होते हैं? Near water bodies or a place where there is a lot of rain. And they usually have which kind of roof? Sloping roof. Very good. Now, houses that can be moved from one place to another. Do you think houses can be moved? Yes, carven, which I told you in the very first. The main two types of houses are kacha house and pakka house, which are called permanent house, and temporary house, which are called carven, and houseboat, tent, which are example of temporary house. A carven is like a house on wheels and can be driven from one place to another. It is a car which is transferred in a home with smart technologies, which can be driven from one place to another. Houseboat is built on a boat. It can be sailed on water from one place to another. Can you see it? Okay. They are very interesting, trust me. Have you ever traveled in a houseboat? You must travel. A tent is a house made of a framework covered with a thin cloth. It can be folded and carried from place to place. टेंट जो होता है ना, it is made up of a thick cloth and it is canvas. Okay, it is a framework covered with a thick cloth and it can be folded and carried from one place to another. Usually tent house जो होते हैं वो camping में use होते हैं. मनाली, कुल्लू, शिमला, that all sides tent होते हैं. जो camping के लिए आते हैं they stay in tents, and this is also such an interesting experience to live in a tent house जो white desert में होते हैं. If you have ever visited, you will love to live in it. Okay. Tents are commonly used by nomads, the people, the group of people who move around, and those people travel from place to place to find fresh pasture to graze their animal. It is a land where grass is grown on it for farm animals to eat. Nomads in different parts of world live in different types of tents. Yurts and teepee are example of tents used by nomads. You can see it, right? Now, clothes we wear. According to different situation and temperature, we wear different clothes in different seasons. If it is heat, we usually wear cotton clothes. If it's cold, we wear warm clothes. And if it's rain, we wear raincoats, right? So, we wear cotton cloth in summer when it is very hot. Why? Because cotton is very light fabric, right? Cotton clothes are made from cotton. Cotton is a type of fiber which we get from cotton plant. Cotton cloth such as shirts, shorts, frocks and blouses keep us cool during summer. Why? Because cotton is a lightweight material which you can wear to get rid of too much cold. Okay. We wear woolen in winter when it is very cold. यानी जब बहुत ठंडी होती है then we wear woolen clothes. Woolen are made from wool जो हमें एकदम गर्माहट देता है, which make us feel warm. Wool जो होता है वो हमें wool is a type of fiber that we get from fringes of animal such as sheep and yak. Woolens such as sweaters, gloves and mufflers keep us warm during winters. जो एनिमल्स हैं उनकी स्किन में से जो सॉफ्ट कवरिंग होता है उनकी स्किन में द एनिमल्स आर शिप एंड याक, उनमें से वुल मिलता है एंड दैट इज टर्न्ड इनटू वुलन क्लोथ्स व्हिच कीप अस वार्म ड्यूरिंग विंटर डेज. Revision sheet. Sort the following house types under the heading of permanent houses and temporary houses. You all know, right, what are temporary and what are permanent house. Hut, it is permanent or temporary? It is permanent because it is not moved from one place to another. Temporary are those which can move from one place to another, and permanent are the houses which are fixed to ground, which cannot be moved from one place to another. So this you would be doing by your own self as usual. Group the following things according to the seasons in which we use them. Woolen clothes. When does woolen clothes are being worn? Yes, in winter season. And umbrella, rainy season. Yes, you all are brilliant. Okay. Now, remaining all you would be doing by your own self. As usual, we will solve it in our live class. Okay, get back on the page number 2 of chapter number 7. Third one. Look at the number on the picture and write the types of houses in the crossword puzzle. Those are the crossword puzzles and the pictures are given here. See the numbers, see the number here and you have to write. If the numbers are not visible to all of you, मैंने जो हमारे क्लास का ग्रुप है व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, मैंने उसमें रिविजन शीट का PDF भेज दिया है ऑलरेडी. So you can see it and you can write it down. Match the following. Match the following. Here are the temperatures and some hints given over here and you have to choose from them. When it's a sunny day, I'll wear a frock. Isn't it? When it's cold, I'll wear a sweater. Yes? So, this will be followed by you and the remaining would be done by you people. Hope this would be helping you so much in identifying the seasons and the temperature, also the different types of houses. Fifth question, which is draw or describe a house that you would build in your favorite place. Show why it is special. What you have to do, you have to draw or you have to describe a house जो आप build करेंगे in future at your favorite place and why it is close to your heart or why it is special for you. You have enough space, you can draw or you can describe it as you wish. Chalo children, bye bye, take care, God bless you, keep smiling and shining. We'll meet you tomorrow in video class.